Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do an unboxing and walkthrough on this K5 Nano spray machine. So here are the features.
Nano atomization, long range atomization size adjustment, and it is powered by battery.
And then on the left on the box here is some more product placement info for your information. As always, the product comes with a product manual. So here is a small product manual, and here is a picture on the spraying gun.
With a nano nozzle, liquid storage bottle, cooling window, working power indicator, control button and charging port.
And some more operation introduction and information about the battery and how to use the product. So as you see here on the left of the spray gun, there's the cooling window, and on the right here is another cooling window. And in the middle here there's the three lights and a button: charge, low and high. So you're going to press it and you'll go to low with the light on, and high with the light on stronger. So the spray gun comes with a disinfectant that is multi-purpose. It is effective against COVID-19 influenza viruses and HFMD virus, and is ready to use disinfectant.
Food grade disinfectant, alcohol solvent free, non-toxic, safe formula and suitable for sanitizing surface.
And it is a 5-liter disinfectant bottle. And now we're going to pour the disinfectant into the plastic bottle below. Finally, the spray gun is filled and sealed, so let's test on this wall here. Let's press low. And now let's up a notch to high. Now let's test it on the sofa, and we're going to press low.